Hey people, I'm Pragadesh and today we are going to talk over the topic IoT communication models. From an operational perspective, it is useful to think about how IoT devices connect and communicate in terms of their technical communication models. In March 2015, the Internet Architecture Board released the guiding architectural document for networking of smart objects, 39 of which outlined a framework of four common communication models used by IoT devices. They are device to device communications, device to cloud communications, device to gateway model, and backend data sharing model. The four basic communication models demonstrate the underlying design strategies used to allow IoT devices to communicate. Aside from some technical considerations, the use of these models is largely influenced by the open versus proprietary nature of the IoT devices, big network. And in the case of device to gateway model, its primary feature is its ability to overcome proprietary devices restriction in connecting to IoT devices. This means that device interoperability and open standards are key considerations in the design and development of internet worked IoT systems. From a general user's perspective, these communication models help illustrate the ability of network designs to add value to the end user. By enabling the user to achieve better access to an IoT device and its data, the overall value of the device is amplified. For example, in three or four communication models, the device ultimately connects to data analytical services in a cloud computing setting. By creating data communications conduits and cloud users and service providers can readily employ data aggregation, big data analytics, data visualization, and predictive analytics technology to get more value out of the IoT data that can be achieved in traditional data silo applications. In other words, effective communication architectures are an important driver of value to the end user by opening possibilities of using information in new ways. It should be noted, however, these network benefits come with trade offs. Careful consideration needs to be paid to the incurred cost burdens, cost burdens placed on users to connect to cloud resources when considering an architecture, especially in regions where user connectivity costs high. While the end user benefits are effective communication models, it should be mentioned that effective IoT communications models also enhance technical innovation and open opportunity for commercial growth. New products and services can be designed to take advantage of IoT data streams that didn't exist previously, acting as a catalyst for further innovations. So that's all for today's podcast. Until the next one, this is Pragadesh signing off.